Okay, adding the 3M gripping material onto the dumbbell, we're going to take 3M material and we're going to take it over and we're going to take the liner off like so, and you're going to put it down, and don't worry, it's repositional for 24 hours, so you can put it down and put this over it like so. The dumbbell there, it's perfect size, it's converted at that point, so you can actually make it perfect. Put it over, slide it over, and if it's not right, it's okay, don't worry about it. Move it over multiple times, then cross over that way, and you have yourself a grip right there. And if you don't like it, first hour, you're like, hey, I hate this, it's okay, take it off. At 24 hours, it's going to be more solitary, but you can always take it off no matter what. There might be some adhesive left over, but you can take it off just with some elbow grease, and then always have a new grip every time you want to, always available.